President Museveni nagira ngo Western Sabesisira Ignatius abira ryo muntu w'amana munonga omukureta w'entungu ko mwihanga. President Museveni nagumiza amagira ngo abire nahagira NRM kandi yahaye miliyoni 10 okuwera mu kushendekerezo mbere rw'umugenzi.
It is sad that we have lost a loyal cadre and champion of the people's interests. I salute Honorable Ignatius Basbesisira for making a contribution to the socio-economic transformation of Uganda.
Omuhwezi wa President retired Major Jessica Alupo we nagira ngo omugenzi nkomuntu abire nakunda abantu kandi arukwenda entunguka na munonga abantu ababire naye bembera.
He brought me here in Kagadi to fundraise for a certain school when I was a minister of education. And he showed me his relatives. He told me all these people you see here are my relatives. When I asked him who exactly is a relative, because this is a crowd, he said all of them are my relatives.
Enganzi y'ihanga Robin Nabanja nagira ngo atwire nagamba n'umugenzi okurugo bwa rw'umwirwaro India kandi yayire ko kushasha abwo kuferwa mu ibembeza umurungi ahire miliyoni 5 okushajika umukoro go kumushendekereza.
Sonde pule kwa ikiao milioni 3 zonka.
Ajeke witanzi. Kumana kugonyeweka kahayo baito mutima gwange guserikama abaina wanalekerezia njagaruka ndete fure
tero mungale fure kwi babana yine kya kwenda ndanyabo mpaka ubairo kimhaire nebwara akukaisi so abana mulirize ebigambo ebyishenyu yabagambaga kandi muramutungire kintu kibazo toere yitu tukyaro ruhanga munsi muno. Please, my door is open
through you, Your Excellency the President, that the Honorable Ignatius Basbesisira be recognized among the heroes of Uganda.
Babana b'umugenzi Ignatius Basbesisira bebembirwa Western Stephen Twesigirukere borekera kusima kwabo ahari government ya NRM hamwe na President Museveni ahabwo kuhereza ishebo kushendekereza bwa uko mutano
kuniro kumbuka wikirize nembabazi umwereza wawe awumure
ekiyayendaga yakigambaga ekiyayangaga yakyangaga. And everybody here knows that.
And we thank the government and every one of you.
Omugenzi Ignatius Basbesisira akazarwa 2019 by'okwezi kwa 12 mwaka gwa 1956 kandi aferira ha myaka 69 y'obukuru asigire fakazi 3 hamwe n'amafuzi 12 amakuru akagasha kwa Thomas Tumwebazi.